Let me ask you guys, it's been like almost 1 month so far. How are you guys feeling so far? For those who were screaming, no background in IT, we done. How are you guys feeling so far?
Mr. Tia, God bless you for us. So seriously, we are. Let me speak for myself. I'm essay that boss. I've been causing problems for the first day because I don't have any background. But really, these few weeks have been tremendous. Has been wonderful. I am happy. Thank you.
Good. How about others?
Yeah, Mr. Tia, I think I'm also one of the novices. I almost ran from the first day, but right now I think I'm fully involved and ready to fight to the end. And probably I guess is the way you're teaching. You're making everything possible as simple as it can be for somebody with no IT background to really understand. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
You're welcome. And that's what that was the promise at the beginning, right? Because that's why we call this thing DevOps Easy Learning. That means easy learning. We make sure that we put everything. Let's say if you just sacrifice a little bit of your time, you will be able to understand this. If you really want to understand it and you sacrifice just a little bit of your time, you will be able, I think so. Because if you go through all the everything that we post online and shows up here in class, I think you will be able to make it. How about others? Let's see, 1 month down the line.
Yeah, Mr. Tia.
Honest feedback.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, honest feedback from SA Mike. I was one of those that was initially freaking out, but you kept saying, "Don't freak out, don't freak out." And to be sincere, like I am catching up. Though I know that the destination, I haven't gotten to the destination yet, but the classes have been quite interesting. And like each time I start practicing and I'm getting it, I like the sleep just disappears from my eyes and like I want to practice. And importantly, I think your materials, once after the classes, I might have sometimes difficulties in understanding why you teach. But after I revisit my class video, I think I begin to get understanding and like it's actually becoming interesting. So I'm in it. I'm not freaking out. So
Good.
I'm in it.
I'm glad to hear that. How about others? Let me just take a couple and see. 1 month down the line so far.
Yeah, Tia. Myself, I've been with you on 2 different classes, and from the last class, I was very impressed. I hope today being my 3rd class, I should equally live up to expectation. But I'm enjoying it, really. I'm enjoying it. And I think I'll go ahead to continue with the program. So thank you for being there for us.
Good. How about others? You guys did not even have the chance to meet Mr. Eric, right? When you guys will see his own teaching skill. We are bored with like, when you guys will also meet Mr. Eric down the line, you guys will see. Like right now, I'm just alone. I'm the only one that you guys know for now, but after some time, Mr. Eric will show up also. And he will also go through some material with you guys. Really good instructor also, to be honest. How about others? Any more feedback? And at all, I see your hands on.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Tia. Well, for me, I'm very happy to have met you guys and proud of the achievements so far. Well, for me, my background, I've been an entrepreneur in the IT industry for like 12 years, but I've never dared to learn anything. So I always used to outsource programmers, and I was like, why should I really learn anything? But right now, especially after the last week, as an entrepreneur, as a business person, I always have an ideas of different applications that I want to make. Then I was like, yeah, I need to always go for developers. But with only the last week and this week, I've now started thinking that I can even make things by myself, because I've seen that, well, for your information, I have already collected all the codes of the first app that I want to work on. So I've put all of them together. I only wait to, for a few days to be able to put them together and see how it works. So I'm not only learning what you are teaching us, but I'm also kind of, going back into myself, rediscovering myself, really realizing my dreams. So I'm even becoming, you are saying that you are not training us to become developers. Of course, we don't even need to learn codes, but we will become, something more than even developers or DevOps experts. So that's my comments. I'm very happy, and I can't wait to to seeing the end of this training.
Great. I'm seeing Jire's hands on. We take a couple, and I just want to see if you guys have the classes going so that we know how to continue with things, right?
Okay, thank you. Good day to everyone. Yes, I'm very happy to be. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to be touched by a friend of mine, a former classmate, because Mr. Tia and I, we went to school together, and I'm very, how can I say it? I'm very surprised to see how far he went with this stuff. I was a little bit afraid of getting in this new domain, and today, by the way he's teaching, shows me that it's very possible. So I'm talking today to appreciate the work and to encourage all those who doesn't have an IT background, that it's possible, because Mr. Tia, I know him very well, and I'm very impressed by the way he went so far. So thank you, Mr. Tia, and sorry to everybody.
Yep. Okay. I think no more.
Yeah, I too.
Yes.
Yeah. I also, I think I've appreciated so much, and our colleagues who also joined us later. I'm from Ghana, the Ghana rep. Colleagues join us later, and the comment they are giving shows that they are highly impressed, as I am, and most of them are also willing to continue. So I think it's very good. It's very good. Yeah.
Okay. Good feedback so far. I'm seeing Zena, hands up.
Yeah, hi Tia. I guess I can contribute to what everybody's saying. Thank you so much. As you know, I'm from. I'm a Scrum. I have a Scrum Master background, and I'm working at MasterCard as project manager. So I was working with a lot of software. I work with a lot of software, right? So it was actually surprising, because the class before this I was going to take, it doesn't have so much support like you guys do. You have a lot of extra support, and I already feel like I'm working like every day. I feel like I have 2 jobs already, which is great. So it's really nice. Yeah, I talked to my manager and I was like, oh, I'm going to be a cloud, engineer very soon. They're like, oh, great, you can just transfer. So I'm looking forward. I always seen Linux, but I never understood what they were doing, because I just, helped to program their software, but I never knew how they use it. Now I know. It's kind of fun. Thank you so much. I look forward to learning all this stuff so I can apply it in my work.
Great.
Thank you.
Okay. It looks like I still have one student hands up.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Yeah, from the perspective of a novice, if somebody like Zaina is talking in the class, it intimidates some of us, the novice. That's on the lighter mood.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. We can hear you.
All right. I want to appreciate Mr. Tia team. Especially, I remember the first time I'm from Nigeria. So I remember the first time we had a Zoom call at the beginning, organized by the Nigerian, I think, the support. I saw Godwill and Mr. Tia, Mr. Herrick. From that first day, I knew I'm in for something great. So, and I'm not surprised having gone through this 3-4 weeks experience, and I want to sincerely appreciate the team, and definitely I'm subscribing. Thank you.
Good. Okay. I think we're gonna have enough.